Okay, in this video, I'm going to go over the solution to the previous problem that I posed to you, and also we're going to learn how to write the turtle, the entire thing, in one go. So, the problem that I posed to you is make a square with a turtle. Well, in your case, let's see how you could do exactly that. So let me find the file where we opened up the turtle. Let me close that guy right there, copy this line, and paste it right there. Okay. My turtle has begun. Well, the idea is simple. I take this line forward and go 100. Now, since sometimes programmers are lazy, I don't want to keep writing this over and over again. So one thing I can do to make my life easier is go to the line that I want to click on and I want to use basically. Go to that line, click my mouse there, hit enter. It brings that down at the bottom, as you can see right here. And now I can just hit enter. So you can see my turtle just moved left, okay? Now it's facing up. Now what I want to do is move it forward again, and you can see that it's facing up again, or I'm sorry, it moved up. Now I need to make it face left. So how do I do that? I go to left, make it turn 90 degrees, and you can see it turn 90 degrees. Now I want it to move 100 again. You can see it move forward and 90 degrees and then 100 once again, and I have made the square. Now what I want you to be able to do is make a Python file, which means that, remember this thing that we opened up right here where we write all of the code at once. So for example, I'm going to close it. I'm going to show you how to open it again. Okay, so I'm going to close this one and I will simply open it again, new file or command N, and I will go and put it to the right side just so I have these side by side, and I will say something like import turtle. Remember that command. If you don't use that command and you try to do turtle, your program will be like, what the heck is turtle? So by doing import turtle, now it knows what turtle is. It's like when you're talking about your friends. If you talk about your friend John, right? Like let's say you're talking about your friend John to your mom or to your dad, and you're like, Dad, this guy, blah, blah, blah. Your dad's going to be like, who the heck is John? So you're going to be like, oh yeah, you remember John from my 5th grade class? And then your dad, if you're talking to him, he's going to say, oh, okay, I know who you're talking about. So import is basically like, hey, Python, import that turtle that those coders wrote, and now we can use it. And Python is like, oh, that turtle. But if you don't have this import command here, Python is going to be like, what the heck, what turtle are you talking about? You must be out of your mind. Anyways, we're going to import this turtle. All right, so now here's what I want you to do. I want you to write a script that makes the turtle in one single go, okay? And I want you to make that square with the turtle straight up in one go. For example, let's come over here to our script that I've written. And if I write stuff here, it does things immediately, right, as you saw. But if I come to my right side over here, oh, by the way, just one quick note, whatever you do, do not name this file turtle.py. You can name it turtle_game or something else. Just don't name it turtle, because then it confuses this turtle here with this file and everything goes all over the place. So don't do that, because I ended up doing that and it caused lots of problems. All right, so let me just show you what happens when I run this file. I'll go to run, I'll hit run module and hit OK. And you can see that my turtle went and did all those things in one go. How cool is that? So you don't have to sit there, type it all in. You can just write it in one go, and it'll do that every single time. So I want you to work on that square. But before you go and do that, I just want to show you what this file actually looks like. So if I go to, let's say, Documents and Clever Programmer, Practice Exercises, and we take a look at this file, turtle game, it's just a text file with this code in here. Okay, that's really it. That's all that's going on in here. So I'm gonna leave it here. The code that you write for the square, I want you to either go to the YouTube channel and post it in the comments, or I want you to paste your code right here in the comments on cleverprogrammer.com, okay? I'm going to take a look at it. I will see you in the next video.